until 9:15 p.m. At 8:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Piedmont, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Southwestern Wayne County damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Piedmont, Greenville, and Mill Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Piedmont, Greenville, and Mill Spring. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Huge group